Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use CosRX Propolis Synergy Toner. First, ensure your face is freshly cleansed and dry. Next, pour a small amount, about 2 to 3 drops, directly into your clean palms. Then, gently pat the toner all over your face and neck. This method helps the product absorb effectively, leaving your skin feeling hydrated and prepped for the next steps in your routine. It's a simple yet powerful way to start your skincare. For an extra boost of hydration, consider layering the toner. After the first application, wait about 30 seconds for it to absorb. Then, apply another thin layer using the same gentle patting motion. You can repeat this 2 or 3 times for maximum benefits, especially if your skin feels particularly dry. Alternatively, use a cotton pad for targeted application on specific dry patches. This technique helps deeply moisturize your skin. This Propolis Synergy Toner is packed with beneficial ingredients, primarily propolis extract, known for its soothing and nourishing properties. Regular use can significantly improve your skin's texture, making it feel smoother and appear more radiant. For best results, integrate this toner into both your morning and evening skincare routines. It's a fantastic step to prepare your skin, ensuring it's calm, balanced, and ready to absorb subsequent products effectively. You can easily incorporate this toner into your daily regimen. Apply it right after cleansing your face, both in the morning and at night. It acts as a crucial first step, preparing your skin to better absorb your serums and moisturizers. Consistency is key to seeing the best results, so make it a regular part of your routine. For more skincare tips and to find a fantastic e-reader for all your reading needs, check out the links and other deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.